So let's talk about where you are in life. Have you reached that age and that stage, or just kind of those middle years, and you're trying to determine, if you're on the right path? Are you being fulfilled and satisfied with your current career, the types of work that you do, the social circles that you're in, the opportunities that appear to be within front of you? Do you feel like maybe there's a little bit of a disconnect between what your inner self and your intuitions and your true dreams are and what the realities are of your life? That's what we focus on in the ASCENT Coaching Program. It's not about leadership or even self-development necessarily. Our focus is about self-awareness and also self-actualization. What we want to do is actually peel back that onion, helping you identify some of those things that may be holding you back or keeping you in that place of not feeling fulfilled and being dissatisfied. So the question is, have you reached that transitional space, that time in life where you're looking to take things in a completely different direction, but you're not sure exactly where, how, or what it is that you really want to do? Well, we're here to help. And what I suggest is that you join us in our next free webinar, where we'll give you some of the guidelines to help you figure those things out. As I always say, you can only begin at the beginning. So join our webinar and let that be the first step moving you forward towards the life you want in your future.